beautiful GlinaArtistic family. It is Glina, your paint manufacturer mentor. And today's video is one you don't want to miss. We are talking about something that many beginners and professional paint producers ignore, and it is destroying their paint quality. The difference between preservative, which are your biocide, and antifungal agents in paint, and how to choose the right one for everyday job. So if you paint fade fast, spoils inside bucket or can, or turns green on wall over time, it is not just bad weather, it is bad chemistry. So if you want your paint to last long, retain colors, build brand trust, and make more profit, stay with me to the end of this video to enable you learn the chemistry behind this preservative. Hello guys, welcome back to GlinaArtistic Paint Education, the #1 YouTube channel for mastering paint production, branding, selling, and chemical formulation. You understand? Whether you are producing emulsion, gloss, satin, sleek, waterproof paint, or you just want to start a paint business from scratch. We'll teach you everything you need to know about starting your own paint manufacturing business, from high quality formula to powerful branding, pricing, psychology, and of course, packaging and sales strategy, trusted by professionals worldwide. So subscribe now and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any tutorial. You understand? So make sure you do that. Also, comment below what city or country are you watching from. It is very important. You understand? And I read and reply to all your comments because you are my motivation. If you're not aware of that, you understand? So let's start the deal of today. You understand? The main reason why we are creating this tutorial. So what are biocide and antifungal agents in paint production? You understand? So we're going to start with the basic, as you all know, by explaining biocide and antifungal. You understand? So biocide and antifungal agents are preservative that help protect your paint inside the bucket, which are in can, and on the walls, which are out can. You understand? But they are not in the same, and using the wrong one can cost your entire batch having issues. You understand? So we're going to look at the top 5 most known preservative and their differences. #1 on the list is formalin. You understand? Formalin is an in-can preservative that extends the shelf life of the paint inside the bucket. You understand? It's a preservative that helps, you understand, like I said, fight the bacteria and mildew growth. You understand? It's good for all water-based paint, especially for long-scale production. If you're storing your paint or selling to customers, this is a must-have. You understand? So those of you that have foul smell, your paint changing colors, make sure to use formalin. So #2 is the Midewcide. Example are your Articide. You understand? So Articide is an out-can antifungal agent preservative that prevent mildew and mold on the wall. So this particular preservative is best for exterior paint exposed to moisture and humidity. And this is your exterior. We're talking about your exterior emulsion or textured finishing, like your Graphitex and your Texcoat. You understand? So #3 is your buffer. So buffer is a color protector. Yes, is an anti-fading preservative that protects colors from harsh sun weathers, raining, and acid-base attack. Also helps maintain color sharpening over time, just like your Texanol, that is a colisent agent and a shine enhancer. You understand? So the 4th on the list is our EPW. You understand? The exterior preservative wash. Yes, is an out-can protector preservative that retains paint strength and blocks microorganisms after the paint has been applied on the wall and is best for tropical and rainy region. So you have to take note of all these preservative, you understand, as I'm explaining it to you, as to know which is going to be good for you. So the fifth is your sodium bonanza. You understand? So sodium bonanza are budget-friendly preservative and made antimicrobial preservative is an incan protector preservative. You understand? We can also find this sodium bonanza in the food cosmetic. Here's the make use of it as well. So it is best used in combination with storage biocides like formalin. You understand? So this different in-can and out-can preservative works perfect. The difference between in-can and out-can preservative is that in-can biocide keep paint stored and stable for storage. Out-can preservative paint helps the paint last long on the wall. You understand? So if you want your customer to keep coming back, if you want to build and you want builders and painters to trust your paint even on hot, wet or harsh falls, then you must master your preservative. This knowledge is not only for protector, it is for your product, and of course it's going to build your brand and trust in every of your supply. So paint that lasts, more projects, more money, strong brand, happy customers. So the next time you visit the paint chemical shop, tell them exactly what you need. I want formalin for in-can preservative and Articide for mildew control and EPW for antifungal. That's how professionals speak, you understand? So paint like an expert, sell like a brand. I hope this video helped you understood the differences between preservative and antifungal in paint. Now go back to your paint lab or workshop and revisit your formula. And if you want to go deeper into production or start your own paint line, we've got you covered. You understand? We have training and mentorship just for you. So check the description to join my private coaching group, book a session, or enroll in our paint formulation courses. Let's grow together. Leave a comment. Which preservative do you wish to master? You understand? And if this added value to your skill, like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification for more advanced tutorial that will be coming your way. Stay creative, stay committed. This is Glina, your paint manufacturer's mentor. Thank you for tuning in today, and bye for now. See you later. Bye.